kulay ng vehicle mo. Ito rin ba ay nagre-reflect sa personality mo? Dito sa ating What You Need to Know segment number 11, ito ang mga kulay sa mga sasakyan na nagmamatch sa personality mo. Number 1, red. Mabilis magpatakbo ng sasakyan. Mga attention seekers, mga bully, at sila rin daw ay madalas makikita ng MMDA at LTO. Number 2, yellow. Nauugnay sa mga tao parating happy. Pwede rin mga mature. Madalas napapatawad ito ng mga otoridad. Number 3, green. Mga nature lovers at eco-friendly po ang mga owners ito. Pero sabi nila, mga siloso at possessive daw ang mga may-ari nito. Number 4, blue. Mga kalmado at mapagkakatiwalaan. Pero sila po daw ay mga boring at mga conservative. Number 5, black. Mga mayayaman. Ang mga tao nito ay mga misteryoso din. Isang biro mo lang ay maaaring sumabog ang mga ito. Kaya if may mabangga ng black na sasakyan, huwag nang makipag-away at umiwas na sa diskusyon. And lastly, number 6, white. Sila yung mga taong may malinis na puso at may kadalisayan, mapagbigay at may malasakit. And that's it. Pero hindi po totoo lahat ng sinabi ko ha. Ang mga colors ng sasakyan ay pinili based po sa personal preferences at pangangailangan sa mga bumibili ng sasakyan. Kaya kung bibili ka ng sasakyan at balak mo rin kumuha ng insurance, mag-message na dito para sa libreng quotation. Hi guys! Kumusta ang sasakyan nyo? Na-maintenance nyo ba yan? Huwag mong pabayaan at i-maintenance mo rin. Dito sa ating What You Need to Know segment number 12, ito ang mga essential vehicle maintenance tips to keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Unang-una, regular inspection ng sasakyan nyo to identify the potential issue. It includes regular check-up of all fluids of your vehicle, tire inspection and replace worn-out tire promptly, lights and signal inspection to ensure that they are working properly. Number 2, change oil regularly for a healthy engine. Always follow the recommendations of the manufacturer. Also, use the right oil for your vehicle. And make sure to replace the oil filter every oil change to maintain proper filtration. Number 3, tire rotations and alignments. It is important to be checked because it contributes even tire wear and better handling. Number 4, brake maintenance. It is very crucial for your safety, so always consider these tips. Check your brake pads regularly and palitan mo if na-worn out na. Check brake fluid regularly and follow manufacturer's guidelines to maintain performance. And always listen to the warning signs like unusual brake noises and vibrations at agad ipatingin. And that's it. By following this, you can ensure a safer, smoother, and more reliable driving experience. And also, don't forget to like and follow our page for more tips.
All is well with Perla Insurance.